sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. 'Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying.
You got it.
I believe in you.
You got it.
I know you got this.
You got it.
Just keep on trying.
You got it.
There's been a lot of bumps in the road.
Bumps in the road.
Oh yeah. Always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate.
Today is a great day because I am passing the torch, if you will. This guy, he's got to go, we're going to go get him repaired, get him spruced up, because he just needs it. But Bonnie bought me a new coat and actually had it made into a vest, because Fireheart's a bunch of jerks and forgot that they make this beautiful style vest, a hooded vest. It's genius. They stopped making it. Anyway, so Bonnie made one for me, and now I get to wear it outside, and I'm pretty excited.
Looks
It's
good.
clean. Smells good.
Did he need to be camera ready before? Gotta have the hat on. Okay, now he's ready. Okay, now he's gonna model. He called me and said, look out the window. Look what I'm wearing. Wearing his new vest.
Excuse me? Where do you think you're going? You just making sure you're in so you get to go with us? Well, you're coming too. You're coming too.
Are you kidding me? This is so fun. I cannot. I was like, wow, it's not quite as cold as it was earlier. It's because Joel's got the fireplace on. How exciting is that? We'll just start little by little. Malo pomalo. I hear you say you are having so much fun packing.
I love it. I think it's so fun.
Even though it's like 20 degrees out here. I can hardly even stand here. I'm so cold.
It's been pretty nice all day until just barely. It just got cold. Like cold.
Oh, wow.
That's what you gotta do.
He's been packing out here all day long. I've been inside and I haven't been able to like film because I've been trying to focus.
Good thing I got all 12 of those lights done and not just 6 like you wanted. What?
Is that filming?
Sure as heck is.
Oh, what did
It's
you
really
say?
grainy though.
What did you say?
Good thing I got all 12 of those lights on and not just 6.
Listen, if you're not caught up on the today's task of the shop, you need to go support Joel's videos. Go give him a little watchy. I'm going to put him in the description for you. Seriously, I'm so proud of you though.
We have a big predicament. The four-wheeler is back in the garage. Luckily it's heated, so it's nice, but my axles broke on the four-wheeler. They are not supposed to do that. This kind of bushing, this rubber grommet, whatever, went bad. Dirt's been getting into that, and so it is just completely given out. So luckily, there's a local place. By local, I mean local to Utah. It's called the Rocky Mountain ATV. They carry everything. They're not sponsoring this. I wish they were. But they happen to have the parts I need in stock. There are closer dealerships, but nobody has them in stock. And I need this fixed today so that we can start plowing our driveway so we can actually pull out on the 1st. And so that my guy who I'm leaving to take care of the place has access to the four-wheeler to plow as well, because he's going to need it. So 5-hour trip. Let's go. It's not a car ride without stopping. Definitely stopping at Maverick. We drove all the way to Payson, 2.5 hours from Logan to get our parts, and we got a 2.5 hour drive back. Oh, that's a long drive. You guys ready for a drive back? You cheese it. All right, put your seatbelt on. Let's go. Oh, baby, we made it back. It's 7 o'clock. The city looks beautiful, and luckily, the four-wheeler has actually been drying off, so that's super nice. It's nice and dry. This guy is the old one. This is the new one. See how the boots are nice and sealed? And then you're gonna hold this top. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure that brake goes in. You ready? No, other bolts I got up there. It's kind of more shiny.
He like stopped right at the top and was like, I don't think I can down.
These ones, it's a movable part. What's that? Push that button and that socket will pop right off.
We have slowly been bringing things in here that we knew we wanted to bring to Florida, but it's like pack time. It's very serious now. We've got to take what we know that we want to take with us and put it in the RV. I could cry because I'm actually enjoying packing. Oh, look at me. Here the tears come. I'm actually really enjoying packing, and the reason that feels so good and fun, like I'm out in the garage and I'm asking the kids what shoes they want to wear in the car, which Crocs, because those are so easy to slip on and off in the car. And then a nice pair of tennis shoes is what we're bringing. Go downstairs and grab your Crocs. You can just set that stuff right down right here. I'll help you with that.
Okay,
and now,
gonna be for the car ride.
yes, go get your, oh. His wallet was in his hat. That's wonderful. It just feels so good because last time, I don't remember last time. I just didn't pack. I just told the kids, get something warm to wear on the drive up and whatever clothes you want to wear in Florida, bring. They had like nothing to bring. We bought a lot while we were out there. It just feels good to not be sinking. So far today, I vacuumed the whole basement. Now, does that sound like very much? No, it does not. But when you think about, I took every single thing off of the kids' closet floors, everything off their bedroom floors, and vacuumed every floorboard, every corner, and then went through and did a regular vacuum. That's a lot. That's a lot. One thing I did not do last time because, capacity, I did not even look in my pantry before we left. I came home and was appalled at the way my pantry looked, just like open everything. And now you cannot say, well, that's probably why you had mice. Absolutely not. Mice didn't even come in the kitchen. They did not even come in the kitchen. There were like 0 signs in the kitchen. I looked outside because I heard the four-wheeler going. Tell me that does not look like the most fake snow flurry out there. Oh, that is so funny.
Looks like we're in a snow globe.
Sometimes I wish I lived in a snow globe.
Look, it's snowing right there, and then look right there, you don't see anything.
You are right. It's only snowing in the front yard, not the backyard. Considering the countertops are wiped, I would say that is a massive improvement. Okay. I also cleaned out the freezer, so that is wonderful. And the fridge. I mean. So in the morning, we're going to have a leftover piece of pizza and some applesauce, rest of the oranges, and a slice of banana bread. And then we are out of here. One thing about it being more simple last time is I didn't bring anything. Whatever I needed, I just bought when I was out there, and that was great. This time, obviously, it's like, it's so expensive shopping at the places because it's in a very, what's it called? Touristy? Yes, thank you. Touristy place.
Mama, all the other ones are instant yeast.
It's okay. Joel's like, please bring all the things to make bread. I'd really like to make bread. I'm like, when? When are we gonna make bread out there? But
Every day.
I don't want to make bread out there.
This is cool.
I don't even want to be eating bread out there. Anyway, I'm gonna bring stuff to make bread, but that's just more things to pack and think about. And then it's like, okay, well, I need a bigger bowl.
I wonder if the moisture down there is gonna make it different.
It totally does. Climate makes things a lot different.
Look,
So what does he want me to do? Bring flour?
Yes.
Am I supposed to pack flour?
Yes.
How are you gonna do that?
You,
I don't think
pick
I should
some
pack
weeds
flour.
or flowers in our yard and put them in our
We barely had enough room last time for. I don't think I'm gonna bring the stuff for bread. We're gonna have to talk about this. Me and Mr. Hoellein. We're gonna have to just have a little discussion. Taking a little break from packing, and we already ate one pizza, and it took like 2 seconds. Thank goodness we have another one in the oven. There's no way I was gonna be able to cook anything. Perfect timing. I've been doing a lot of laundry, getting us ready to get packed and out the door, but I wanted to show you the sunset because it just looks so pretty. Look how pretty that looks out there. Okay, laundry time. This is a pretty fancy New Year's Eve dinner.
We did this for last year New Year's Eve too.
No way.
Yeah.
Did we seriously?
Last year we were just with the Nielsen's. Yeah. Douglas.
Oh. We
Yeah,
didn't go to Panda on
the
Christmas
year
Eve,
before
New
that
Year's
we
Eve.
did. We got
Did we?
on the year before.
Oh, okay. Put the Suburban away without it being clean. So we're going to get it clean. Well, we don't want to. So we'll get it clean. Then we'll take it home, put it away.
Stay on him.
There's a buck.
Holy
Look at
cow,
that
he is huge.
Well, howdy doody.
I had my camera so I could photography right now.
There's another one that just took off that way.
Check him out. That's so sick.
If I had a rubber hose, I could beat him.